Hello friends. Do you often procrastinate? Do you tend to postpone important tasks? Do you delay every crucial task? Are you unable to prioritize your tasks correctly? If your answer is yes, then this story is for you. Watch this video because it will give you a life-changing experience that will completely transform your thinking. Once upon a time, a simple farmer was working in the field with his donkey. Every day, he loaded dirt onto his donkey and took it from one place to another. One day, while digging up the soil, he found a shiny stone in a pit. The farmer thought it was just a beautiful stone, unaware that it was actually a precious diamond. He tied the stone around his donkey's neck and went back to his work. While passing through the village, a shopkeeper noticed the donkey and the shining stone hanging from its neck. He asked the farmer, "What is that shiny stone on your donkey's neck?" The farmer replied, "I found it in a pit." The shopkeeper asked the farmer, "Can you give me that stone?" The farmer said, "Yes, why not? Give me 50 rupees, and you can have it." The shopkeeper placed the stone on his balance. At that moment, a jeweler passed by, saw the stone on the scale, and instantly recognized that it was a precious diamond. The jeweler asked the shopkeeper, "Where did you get this stone?" The shopkeeper answered, "I got it from a farmer." The jeweler said, "Can you sell it to me?" "Sure, but you have to give me 100 rupees. The jeweler responded, "I can only give you 90 rupees. Take 10 rupees off." The shopkeeper refused and said, "No, I won't sell it for less than 100 rupees. That evening, another jeweler passed by, saw the stone, and immediately realized how valuable it was. He asked the shopkeeper, "Can I buy this stone?" The shopkeeper agreed and asked 100 rupees. The jeweler paid 100 rupees and took the stone. The next day, the first jeweler returned and asked, "Where is the stone?" The shopkeeper replied, "I sold it for 100 rupees. Hearing this, the first jeweler was furious and said, "How could you sell such a priceless diamond for only 100 rupees? The shopkeeper paused for a moment, smiled, and said, "I didn't know its true value, but you did. Still, you tried to bargain for just 10 rupees. Friends, this story teaches us that many times in life, priceless opportunities come before us, but we either fail to recognize them or lose them by getting caught up in small, trivial matters. Just like how the jeweler lost a diamond over a mere 10 rupees. We should learn to recognize opportunities at the right time and take full advantage of them to move forward in life. Remember, recognizing opportunities at the right time is the key to true success. If you like this story, please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.